Welcome to ESP Class Podcast. Real English for real life.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Yes, coffee. I want one coffee, small, maybe milk? Sorry.
No problem. Take your time.
Thank you. My English just left the cafe.
It left the cafe?
Yes, it opened the door and ran away. I know coffee, I know please, but when the barista asks me, my brain says, not today.
That moment is exactly what we're talking about today. Hi, and welcome to ESP Class, Simple English for Real Life. I'm Emily.
And I'm Albert, and I really need this lesson before my next coffee.
Today, we're learning easy English sentences for ordering coffee without panic.
Please tell me there is one simple sentence.
There is. Your safety sentence is, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Can I have a coffee, please?
Yes, short, polite, natural, and useful.
So I don't need to say, I would like to purchase one hot drink from this cafe.
No, that sounds like cafe English from a business contract.
My nervous English becomes very formal.
In a cafe, simple is better. "Can I have a coffee, please?" is enough.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Good. And if you want a different drink, keep the same sentence, just change the drink.
Like latte?
"Can I have a latte, please?"
Can I have a latte, please?
Or cappuccino.
Can I have a cappuccino, please?
That works.
So the pattern is, can I have a drink, please?
Exactly. "Can I have a coffee, please? Can I have a latte, please? Can I have a cappuccino, please?"
One sentence, many drinks. I like this system.
That's the goal. One useful sentence you can use under pressure.
But what about size? Small, medium, large? That part makes me nervous too.
Easy. Put the size before the drink.
Size before the drink.
"Can I have a small coffee, please?"
Small coffee, please.
"Can I have a medium latte, please?"
Medium latte, please.
"Can I have a large cappuccino, please?"
Large cappuccino, please.
Yes. Size, then drink.
Small coffee, medium latte, large cappuccino.
Right. And you don't have to say everything perfectly. You just need to be clear.
Clear is possible. Perfect is stressful.
That is very true.
Can we try a short cafe conversation?
Of course. I'll be the barista. You order one drink.
Okay, my English is still inside the cafe.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Can I have a medium latte, please?
Sure.
That's it?
That's it for the first step.
That was not a disaster.
Not even close.
But then the barista often asks another question.
Yes, one common question is hot or iced?
Ah, yes, the fast question.
And your answer can be very short. Hot, please. Or iced, please.
Hot, please.
Good.
Iced, please.
In that moment, you don't need a full sentence.
Really? Just hot, please?
Yes, if someone asks hot or iced, a short answer is natural.
That makes me feel much better. I always try to build a big sentence and then I get lost.
A lot of learners do that, but in cafes, small answers are often enough.
Hot, please. Iced, please.
Exactly.
Hot.
What if they ask if I want to sit or take it with me?
Then you may hear for here or to go.
For here or to go?
If you want to drink it in the cafe, say for here, please.
For here, please.
If you want to take it with you, say to go, please.
To go, please.
Good. Again, short answer.
So I don't need to say, I will drink this coffee in another location.
Please don't. To go, please, is much easier.
Much easier and less dramatic.
Let's put these together.
Okay, small pieces.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Can I have a small coffee, please?
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
That was a real coffee order.
It felt short, but complete.
Exactly. Short and complete.
What about anything else? I hear that a lot.
Anything else means do you want another thing? Maybe food, another drink, or something extra.
And if I don't want anything else?
Say, no thank you.
No, thank you.
Simple and polite.
I love sentences with 3 words.
Me too, especially in a busy cafe.
Can I use that's all?
Yes, you can. That's all, thank you, can work too. But for today, let's keep the easiest one. No thank you.
Good. One simple answer. No, thank you.
Now, there are 2 rescue sentences I want you to have.
Rescue sentences sound important.
They are, first, if you need time, say, 1 moment, please.
1 moment, please.
You can use it when you're looking at the menu or when your brain needs a second.
My brain often needs a second, sometimes a meeting.
Then start with 1 moment.
1 moment, please.
Second, if you don't understand, say, sorry, can you say that again?
Sorry, can you say that again?
This is very useful because cafes can be noisy. Machines, music, people talking. Sometimes you just don't hear clearly.
I always feel embarrassed when I ask again.
I understand, but asking again is part of normal communication. It doesn't mean you failed.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Yes, calm and clear.
So my rescue sentences are 1 moment, please, and sorry, can you say that again?
Exactly.
Can we practice the panic moment?
Yes, I'll be a fast barista.
Oh no, fast barista is my final boss.
Hi, what can I get for you?
That was not a sentence. That was one long sound.
What can you say?
Sorry, can you say that again?
What can I get for you?
Can I have a small latte, please?
Hot or iced?
Iced, please.
You handled it.
I did not panic. Well, I panicked a little, but I had a sentence.
A little panic is allowed. The sentence still worked.
Good. I need sentences that work during panic.
That is exactly why we keep them simple.
Sometimes they ask my name. What should I say?
If they ask, can I get your name? Just say your name.
Albert.
Yes. Or you can say, it's Albert.
It's Albert.
Both are fine in this situation.
And if they don't understand my name?
You can say, I can spell it.
I can spell it.
Then spell your name.
A-L-B-E-R-T.
Good. You don't need this every time, but it's useful if the cafe is noisy or your name is hard for the person to hear.
Nice. My name has a backup plan.
Exactly. Now, let's bring the listener in.
Listener, imagine you are at a cafe. Emily will be the barista. You answer first, then I'll answer.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Can I have a small coffee, please?
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
That is enough English to order coffee.
And if your drink was different, that's okay. You can change the drink.
Right, the pattern stays the same.
Can I have a medium cappuccino, please?
Yes, that works too.
I'm noticing something. The order is not one big sentence. It is like small steps.
Exactly. Step 1, order the drink. Step 2, answer the short questions.
Drink, hot or iced, for here or to go, anything else.
That's the basic cafe path.
Cafe path, better than cafe panic.
Much better.
Can we do one final real-life version?
Yes, this will be the full moment. You need a second, you order, you answer, and you handle your name.
Okay, Real Cafe Albert is ready.
Hi, what can I get for you?
1 moment, please.
Sure.
Can I have a medium latte, please?
Of course, hot or iced?
Iced, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Can I get your name?
Albert.
Sorry?
Albert. I can spell it. Albert.
Great. Anything else?
No, thank you.
That'll be $4.
Thank you.
That was the full cafe moment.
And I survived.
You did more than survive. You ordered clearly.
I used one moment, please. I ordered the drink. I answered the questions. I spelled my name.
Exactly. And notice, you didn't need advanced English.
I needed calm English.
Yes, calm, simple English.
That feels possible.
Let's do one final recap.
Okay, tools, not test.
To order, use your safety sentence. Can I have a coffee, please?
Change the drink if you need. Can I have a latte, please?
To add size, put the size before the drink. Can I have a small coffee, please?
If they ask hot or iced, answer hot, please, or iced, please.
If they ask for here or to go, answer for here, please, or to go, please.
If you need time, say 1 moment, please.
If you don't understand, say, sorry, can you say that again?
If they ask anything else, you can say, no, thank you.
That's enough English to order coffee without panic.
Enough English. That is my favorite kind of English.
Next time you're in a cafe, don't try to remember everything. Start with one sentence.
Can I have a coffee, please?
This is ESP Class, Simple English for Real Life. See you in the next episode.
Take care and enjoy your coffee.
Want to keep learning with ESP Class? Get the important phrases and notes from each episode at espclass.com. You can also find us on LinkedIn, and you can listen to the ESP Class podcast on Facebook. Wherever you join us, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep speaking. Keep learning, keep speaking. See you in the next episode.